I'm Jerry from TheHappyStart. One of the hardest things about launching a new product on Amazon is getting those first few reviews. You know your product is great, but customers are hesitant to buy something that doesn't have any reviews yet. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how we solve that problem using the Amazon Vine program. So what is it? Vine is Amazon's internal service that helps sellers get high quality reviews fast and easily. Amazon invites their most trusted reviewers to test your products for free in exchange for honest and unbiased feedback. These aren't just one-word reviews. They typically include videos and photos and real detail that helps future customers make a decision about your product. Here's how it applied to us at The Happy Start. We sell baby products, which is an incredibly crowded space. So you might imagine that parents and caregivers are understandably very careful when shopping. They need to see some serious social proof before they trust a new brand with their child. That's why we use Vine from day one. Since launching, we've enrolled in Vine 5 times and secured 108 reviews, which in this market that's that competitive, those 100 plus trusted reviews gave us the credibility we needed to stand out. Plus, it helped us quickly verify that we had a product that was in demand. Now, you should know that there is a fee, an enrollment fee related to Vine, but my advice, it's totally worth it. Whether you're a brand new seller or you've been selling for years, those first few reviews are critical for a successful launch. Vine is hands down one of the best programs Amazon offers.